When deciding between surgical and non-surgical options, you can think about it through these 3 questions. What is the extent of the condition? If the eyelid drooping or eye bags are prominent, more invasive treatment through surgery may be able to address the condition better. Non-surgical options may be sufficient to elevate the appearance of eyelids with milder symptoms. What are your expectations? Are you looking for a minor lifting or tightening effect or full rejuvenation? Be sure to set realistic goals, as non-surgical options have subtler, albeit more natural results. What factors influence your decision? Consider factors such as budget, current health condition, recovery period, impact on daily routine when it comes to deciding on the procedure for your eyelid rejuvenation journey.